Let's bust the 3 big myths. I want to break and rebuild your existing patterns on what it takes to be successful. Number 1 is it takes too much time to build a successful brand around my passion. Number 2, it's impossible to get 10,000 followers. Number 3, it's too damn hard to find paid brand deals. They're myths because when I was bankrupt, it was a myth that I would ever become a successful business owner. A lot of people will say someone who's bankrupt or had 10 failed businesses before the age of 22, you're not going to be a successful entrepreneur. You need to go back to school and get a degree. That's what the whole world is saying right now. That's why I say they're myths, because you could say the same thing about building a successful brand. I think it's possible for anybody, as long as you have the right knowledge and tools. What do you need to be successful on IG? And this goes back into the myths that I'm breaking and rebuilding for you in the very beginning. Number 1, it starts with building a brand around your personal passion. And number 2, build a following of at least 10K active and engaged followers who are interested in your passion. And number 3, get paid to post by brands. Focus on your passion to support your career moving forward. If you had these 3 things, you probably have a pretty good life on Instagram. Getting paid to post, living your passion, you have an active and engaged following of people who love what you do and support you. That's an awesome place to be. I'm going to go into the next slides about how to do this, and starting with number 1, how to build a brand around your personal passion. But I can't help you guys understand exactly how to do that stuff if I don't give you a story first of someone who has done all of it, has made a case study out of it, made an example out of it, and shows that if you take these right steps, it would actually work for you as well. Courtney Hansen is a fashion blogger stylist in Seattle, Washington. She was one of our beta clients. She came to us when we were starting this company and said, hey, I'm struggling to find brand deals on Insta. I'm struggling to build an authentic audience. I have less than 3,000 followers. I see these fashion influencers who are just traveling around, making all this money. How do I do this for myself? In about 3 months, we built an authentic audience of 10,000 plus followers. She was able to build connections in her industry of fashion and just the DMs and email, just from connections she was making on Instagram alone in her local area in Seattle. Got paid brand deals from companies like Target. You'll see that photo on the bottom right is one of her brand deals with Target. Couldn't have built that audience if it wasn't for building those authentic relationships with them. Super cool case study about how powerful that is. You need the authentic relationships, you need the brand deals, you need to do all of that stuff to be successful on Instagram. You need the authentic audience, you need to build a brand before you can get the brand deals. You need those 2 things first, to build a brand and to build an authentic audience around that brand. So now she's using her Instagram as a catalyst to open more doors in the fashion industry and make money on the side. So I think that's super cool, guys. If you guys are someone, photographer, videographer, model, someone who's trying to get their passion out there, I applaud you for that. Keep doing that.